Hamster Kombat is finally listed, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply withdraw or convert your Hamster Kombat tokens to USDT. So dear CEOs, go and collect your dust. As at the time of recording this video, Hamster Kombat is currently trading at under 0.01 cents, which is bad because completely I believe this project had great potential, but then the team, they completely screwed up as if they did it intentionally. Like this project, it could have made a lot of history, but then it's still going to make history just as one of the biggest failures because that's what it is to me. Like Hamster Combat, they could not even surpass dogs in terms of market capitalization during the listing, which is just plain like it's very sad. I don't know how they come up with this, but if you don't get money to list project, you rest. So imagine the way they stressed everyone here and there with different tasks, different confusion in the market, like this, like that, like that. Dogs did not even stress anybody, and still you cannot compare the two projects. Anyway, let's talk about the withdrawal or the conversion. There are two methods in which you can use to trade or to sell your Hamster Kombat token. And for this tutorial, we're going to be using Binance. So once you open your app, go to the wallet section. As you can see here, this is your Hamster token. Now, the first method you can use here is to directly send your Hamster Kombat token out of your Binance to any trusted vendor of your choice, and then the person can credit you your money. But then the second method here, you have to convert your Hamster Kombat token to USDT, and it's pretty easy. So on my Binance here, I'm going to be going to the trade section. Once I'm on this page, I'm going to search for Hamster. As you can see, my own is already on Hamster, but if your own is not on Hamster, you click on that place. Use the search button to search for Hamster Kombat token, which is HMSTR. So you can see Hamster/USDT, and it's on this page. The second thing you want to do is to switch this to a sell. You can see there is buy and there is sell. So you put it on sell, and then this limit section, you change it to market. It's pretty as easy as that. Once it's on market, you can now use this toggle button to put in the amount you want to sell. Maybe you want to sell half of it, you want to convert all of them, whichever you just put in. For me, I'm converting all of this, my hamster into USDT. So you click on sell Hamster Kombat, it will show you order created, and that is all. So if I should head into my main page now, I'm going to see my USDT has been credited to my wallet. Now, the next thing you want to do now is also to send this your USDT to a trusted vendor of your choice for conversion, or you can take this your USDT to Bitget or Bybit P2P market to do your trading deal, whichever one is okay. So that is the basic way to do this. Now, when it comes to Bybit, the steps are still pretty much the same. All you simply have to do is open up your Bybit. Once it opens up, you go to your assets section, simply just as you did in your Binance. Now on this page, you also have two options. You can either send your Hamster Kombat directly to a vendor that wants to purchase, or you convert to USDT. As you can see, your asset is going to be in your unified trading. But for me, there is nothing showing here because I do not have any Hamster Kombat tokens on my Bybit. Now, to do your conversion, you simply head out of that page, click on this spot section. Once you click on the spot, you are going to see this option. Any other coin can be displaying. It can be Ethereum, it can be BTC. You click on it, then you use the search bar to search for Hamster Kombat. Similarly, you type in HMSTR, and you can see Hamster against USDT. So that is pretty much the easy way to go about it. Then this limit section, you can change it to market. And the next thing is you have an option to either buy or sell. So you switch it to sell since you're converting your tokens to USDT, and then you now put in the amount you want to convert. So it's pretty as easy as that. You can now send your USDT to any vendor of your choice, or you can also get my contact from the description box of this video if you want to trade your coins with me. Or just like I've said, you can now trade it in the Bybit P2P market. So it's pretty as easy as that. And same goes for any other exchange at all that you want to use. Now, if this video was helpful, feel free to like. Otherwise, also feel free to dislike. Use the link in the description box of this video to join my WhatsApp or Telegram channel for more updates like this. And if you're watching from TikTok, it's easy. Check the link tree on my bio. You're going to get a link to my WhatsApp or Telegram channel so you can join any of them for updates like this.